Okay, this ain't a mushroom hunting video, I promise, but I am hunting mushrooms right now. I need a lion's mane, and that is one. And there's like two others, if you can see them way up in there. They're pretty nice, but as usual, they're kind of out of reach, so I'm gonna try to get them down. I wished I could get that one, but I don't need it. So I'm out here playing in the garden with my Emberlit, and when I bought this thing, some of my friends were kind of doubting whether or not I could cook real food on a real skillet. And you see I almost knocked it over there. And if it would even hold a skillet up, most of them doubted it would. Because this little guy, the way it's built, I think it could hold up as much weight as you wanted it to, within reason. But so far, so good. Still don't know how it's going to work out because I haven't finished yet, but there's a lot of heat right in the center. It's not as well distributed outside, and I don't have it level, which is my fault, so like an uneven stove eye, all the grease is down here. But so far, it's really working well, so we'll see what happens. I guess I can go ahead and put the salt and pepper on now. Really got to stay on top of it to keep the fire fed. I almost let it go out, sitting here goofing around. Okay, I got it going back again. You got to keep these little air holes cleaned out so you can get good airflow through there. And I actually had to lift the skillet up for a second so the thing would catch back up. I think we're cooking now. Alright, one more final flip and put some salt and pepper on this side and pour the cream in. And I like a little bit of Parmesan. I like a lot of bit of Parmesan. Okay, I had to restart the fire again. It's not the box's fault, it's me. I'm not paying attention to the fire, and this thing burns the wood up so quick that if you start messing with the skillet or cooking or whatever, yeah, it can go out really quick because it just burns up the fuel so fast. So, my thoughts. First of all, can I cook real food on the Emberlit on a cast iron skillet? Absolutely. I'm sure it's possible. I just did it. Now, is this the best? Pretty good. Really good actually, but I did a terrible job of cooking it. So my second thought is I need a lot more experience, a lot more practice with it. I do think the Emberlit has its limitations, but right now its number one limitation is me not knowing what I'm doing. This is the first time I've attempted it on the skillet, and pretty cool. I had a lot of fun doing it this evening. So with that, I'll let y'all go. I'm gonna eat. Y'all be good. Bye.